How's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Boltune truly wireless stereo Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, now I've been using these for a little while and I felt like it was time for y'all to see the fit and sound demo. So hopefully after this video you guys and gals will get a general idea of how they're gonna look in your ears and on your head. If your head is similar shape to mine and your ear structure is similar to mine, then this will help you get a general idea of how they're gonna look and how they're gonna fit in your ears. So hopefully this helps. Also, you're gonna get a general idea of how they may potentially sound. Now let me apologize in advance because I do have a nice quality microphone, but the mic can only do so much and with compression, but I'm going to try and do it the best I can. That being said, recording this video here today, I am using the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active, and this video is being recorded in 720p at 30 fps. Responsible for all the audio being captured here today, I am using the Boya microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality down below in the comments. Your feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. That being said, today in this video, I'm just going to give y'all a real quick fitting sample or demonstration, and I'm going to give y'all two tests. We're going to do a leakage test, and then I'm going to try and give y'all a nice crisp audio sample, and then we'll wrap the video up. So starting off with the fitting test, so y'all can see both earbuds are in my ears, and they are paired up to my phone right now. Alright, and the volume is at maximum volume, but the music is paused, so y'all can see this is how they look in my ears. Okay, and I have the medium-sized tips installed. Okay, as I said in the unboxing, it's important to find the right size tips so you get a nice comfortable fit and a really good seal for sound isolation. Because with them in my ears right now, I can't even hear myself talk, so I hope I'm not yelling into the microphone. But this is what one side looks like right here. Okay, and then this is what the other side looks like right here. Okay, and then you do get multi-function button controls, so we'll cover that more in the full review, but there you guys and gals go. A real quick fitting demonstration for y'all. Now what I'm gonna do is, as I said, I have the bad boys connected up to my Google Pixel. We do have some copyright free music queued up right here, as you can see. Okay, and now we're just gonna play a little bit. And this first test, I want y'all to let me know if y'all can hear any leakage coming off of the earbuds. This is at 100% volume. Let me just show y'all real quick so y'all can see it's at 100% right there. Bam, 100%. And now let's go ahead and push play. Here we go. There we go. Ooh! Uh. All right. Let's pause that real quick. So there you guys and gals go. Real quick leakage test. Let me know what y'all think. Now, from my testing, I did notice a little bit of leakage at 100% volume, but if you turn it down to like 50 or 25, nobody can hear what you're listening to. So y'all let me know if y'all picked up any leakage in that first test. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to restart the music yet again, and I'm going to give y'all, as best I can, a really good audio sample, and y'all let me know how y'all think these earbuds sound down below in the comments. So here we go. Let's push play yet again. Alright. And now, let me just hold them up to the microphone. Here we go. Do this for about 10 seconds. Starting now. Alright, I'm going to give y'all an extra 5. Okay, that's good. Drop these back in. Okay, so that pretty much does it for this video here today. This was a real quick fit and sound demo or demonstration of the Boltune truly wireless Bluetooth stereo earbuds. So please let me know what y'all think. How do y'all feel the earbuds performed in terms of the leakage and the sound? Alright? And I gotta let y'all know, man, the microphone on these, spoiler, we're gonna talk about this more in the full review, but the microphone on these are awesome. Okay. Also, okay, I gotta go ahead and fess up. I see what all the fuss is about with this, with the truly wireless earbuds and the charging case. I definitely see what all the fuss is about. This charging case is beautiful, and honestly, I forget sometimes to check the charging speeds because you just drop it in the case and it's good to go. So the charging speeds in this case are awesome. Alright, so I understand now. I understand why people like AirPods so much and truly wireless earbuds so much. The convenience factor when you get a really nice pair, I understand. Alright, that being said, we're going to go over that more in the full review, but this does it for the fit and sound demo of the Boltune truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone. We out of here.